Pinterest is a search and discovery platform, which means you need keywords. So where do you add them? I'm going to tell you. I'm Kate All. I own Simple Pin Media. We are a Pinterest marketing and management agency. We help you get awesome at Pinterest so that your business can explode using Pinterest. Make sure you click like and subscribe on this video so you can get more Pinterest tips from us each week. Keywords on Pinterest function in a way that the user goes onto Pinterest, they go to the search bar, they type in a word, and then all of a sudden Pinterest looks all over the platform and they pull up all the pins that they think will match your keyword search. So if you, as a business owner, are not adding keywords in these places, that connection is broken. So here are the 5 places you need to add keywords. Number 1, board titles, board descriptions, pin titles, pin descriptions, and then anywhere else Pinterest will let you add keywords. If you see a place, add keywords. When in doubt, fill it out. That's your phrase for keywords on Pinterest. Okay, make sure you sign up for our free Pinterest Made Simple newsletter. It comes out every single Wednesday. Tips, tricks, news, and latest updates on Pinterest. Click the link below in the description.